welcome to my crib. So this is my apartment. When you walk in through the door, you have a nice little coat area and a place to put your shoes. So then you have the kitchen and the living room area there and a balcony, which I will go out on and show you the view. I bought this runner rug from Amazon. We got these specifically for this countertop. These placemats I love so much because they're from my dad. He used to have them in his home and he sent them to me because he just didn't need them anymore. The napkins I got at World Market. I think this fruit bowl's from Amazon. Flowers, I feel like Trader Joe's flowers always do super well, but I only got these a few days ago. They're not looking too hot. And then we have the kitchen here, shelving, Supreme skateboards from before that I had in my other apartment, dishwasher that we hardly ever use. My mom got me this from a store in my hometown. It's a super cute dish towel. I have a coffee one too, and I don't know where it is. And then spice rack, although I am white, I love my spices. Coffee maker that I use every day, frother, air fryer. We have so much shelf space here. And then the pantry here, just a lot of space. The fridge with some magnets, drawings from my nephew, note from my sister, you know, places I traveled, some photos. Here is the laundry. We have double stacked laundry, which is nice. Here is the living room. If you've seen my other apartment tour, LA apartment tour, you've seen this couch before. It's from World Market. The yellow pillows are from World Market. The white ones are from Amazon. And that blanket was given to me by my uncle and it just happened to match the pillows perfectly. This rug is also from Amazon. Have a side table here, which I think is from Wayfair. And then we have the balcony, which I haven't purchased any furniture for, but now that it's cooling off a little bit, got a nice view of downtown. And so we just keep the camping chairs out here. This robot is a vacuum robot. We call it Randy the robot. I have my record player, unfortunately, on the floor. I was planning to get a stand for it, but we're moving again soon, so it didn't really make sense before the move. We have this console table. I believe it's also from Wayfair. The TV is from my friend and some knickknacks here. And then before I show you our bedroom, I'm going to show you the second bedroom slash bath, which is my office. Once again, a rug from Amazon. It was just the easiest thing. So I have this easel, which I used to paint, but before our next move, probably gonna get rid of that. Some craft supplies down there, yoga mat and stuff. My walking pad, which I use all the time. There's not really a great place for it. I could probably lean it up against the wall over there, which maybe I'll do. And then I have this photo box set up because I do content creation for my own brand and for other brands as well. So that's usually set up on this folding table, and then there's some props and stuff underneath, and a monitor, which I haven't opened. This is a painting that I did as just like a fun project. And then over here I have some Sierra products, hex code products, and some other products that I need to shoot. My guitar, my desk, which you guys have seen in another video if you watched my desk and walking pad setup. Nice big window here. There's also a ceiling fan, which is nice because this room gets hot. This mirror is from Urban Outfitters. There is a door here that opens into the bathroom, but there's just not a great setup for this, so I usually keep that door closed and go around this way. And this is the second bathroom or guest bathroom. When we have guests, sometimes we set up a bed in here, or they prefer the couch. But nice big mirror and a bathtub / shower here. Then this closet, which I'm not gonna show you because it is just way too much of a mess, but it's a big walk-in closet. And then this is probably my favorite little nook. These pillows are from my mom. They were in my home growing up, and I just love these pillows, so she saved them for me. And this rug is also from her. I've had this rug for a very long time. This I got used on Amazon, and it actually came as a set, which you'll see in a second. And these photos are from my late uncle, his photography collection. So those are really special to me. I hardly ever sit here, but this is probably my favorite little nook in the house. And if we open this door, so this is the bedroom. I have had these curtains forever. I think I got them in Portland, Maine when I was a teenager. And I just love them. They're made out of sari fabric. And this mirror, which is from Amazon. And then here are the other two benches that nest under the one over here. So they can just slip right under there. Our bed. And two side tables. I think these are from Amazon as well. And pillows from maybe Macy's or Nordstrom. And here's the bathroom. So this is the bathroom. What sold me is the double sink. If you've ever lived with a man, they splash water everywhere. So it's like, it would be really nice to have a double sink. So this is my sink with the Marc Jacobs perfume, our shared stuff, his sink. And then you can see the shower there. My favorite little bathroom art by Pants, who's an illustrator. My brother turned me on to that one. What I love is that there's so much storage space in this apartment. To be honest with you, these dark countertops and like really dark wood is not really my style, but this is a huge place. We have nice light, we have a pool, we have a gym. Can't really complain too much. Got a great deal on lease with, I think it was 6 weeks free. And this is the walk-in closet. The closet is a bit of a mess, but I'll show you just so you get a sense of how big these closets are. This is my side, and then his side is over here. I may have forgotten to mention these. These are from IKEA, and once again, were brought from my old apartment, like most of the stuff in here.